Hey everyone, this is Miguel de la Torre, and the online instructional tool that I've chosen to use today is the Algebraic Balance Scale. So the main reason why I like this scale is because students will be able to explore mathematics on their own terms. I want them to be making their own connections throughout the process of this activity. Now, when students are playing with this, they also get um, a physical interpretation of what algebra means outside of a math book, outside of notes, outside of problems on a worksheet. So I really like that idea of seeing mathematics in multiple perspectives. Um, and I also like the interpretation of the positives and the negatives. This is an impression that I would really like to leave with students. Is this understanding or reasoning of a positive and a negative and how they relate to each other. All right, so let's model this equation now. And now, when doing these activities, some students may need some help modeling this, and that is fine. I would I would be okay with that because the bulk of the activity is going to be done after this portion. So as soon as we write out this equation, we will see that students can really explore how to solve this equation on their own. Now, if we look down here, we can add to both sides. So this is always going to stay in equilibrium. So no matter what I add to each side, or even if I want to subtract to each side, it'll always stay in equilibrium. And at the end of this activity, I would ask students um, what they observed, what are some strategies they come up with. We would have an open discussion on this, and I would really promote students to create their own understanding, to make their own connections on how to solve this. So this activity would be a great tool to reinforce this uh, this lesson, or to even reinforce it or to introduce it before the lesson or after the lesson. So this is a great tool to use with students in either situation. So that is why I chose this. I would most likely use this in my classroom um, if I had a very interactive online class with computers. So thank you for your time, and have a good day.